Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where we are pretty much there as far as zipping up any unclaimed territory. We're pretty close. We got some folks heading out to Europe, I'm pretty sure. If not, we'll deal with that in a second, I think. You know what? I probably should have done this off camera. Yep, there they are. The Nobile the Third is headed out there. Good. Unfortunately, this station, the aggressive observation post, yep, this belongs to the Aztecs, even though it's currently in our space. So what we're gonna have to do is, I didn't actually know they could build them out here. What we're gonna have to do is in the next war that's on the list of things that we need to blow up, including that, and what else? Oh yeah, I want to take this. Gotta take that planet. Oh, and this. Oh, I need to take this so bad. So it's just a thing to remember, you know, 25 years from now. Or is it 22? Anyway, or no, 12. It's 12 years from now. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I think we have somebody on their way to take this, to colonize this. I think so. I don't even know. Okay. Here's this. The Husball. There are no longer one-eyed birds. Become Xenophiles. Thank you. I'm just gonna have to watch. Just going to have to watch. Lido, where are you? With this. Okay. You know what? I don't actually want to pay for that. How about, Crossroads? Have another planet. Thank you very much. Alright. Where are you headed? Okay, good. You're headed over to... No, you're not headed there. You're headed there. I really wish this, outliner would include all colony ships that I technically own. All of them. Oh good, you're going down here. That's right. That's right. You're going here? Yes, you are. Okay, good. Good. Okay, self-realization comes only through independence. There we go. How's our powerful pops?
System survey complete.
Oh, real quick. So, powerful pops, who is it? Yeah, just the Korean Homelanders. Korean Homelanders, guess what? First off, another integration campaign. Also, suppress media. Because stuff. And then, you know what? The Blessed Kroll Principality. It's time to integrate you. We're making 8 influence a month. We don't really need that much. So we'll go down to 5 a month. Okay, let's do it. Okay. And then we'll build colony ships with them. We'll send them around. It'll be great. It'll be fine. They're actually not bad. They are strong and intelligent. So good stuff. Adamar, where's that? Where is that? I'm just kind of curious. Okay, it's down in here. Oh yeah, science ship. Lazy science ship. What do you got? Lazy science ship is lazy. I know there was a place where we hadn't... Oh yeah, right. Although this guy's working on it. Yeah. I think that's it. Go to... I was coming to Venice and... Come to Venison. No, come to Venice and, well, upgrade fleet. And then... Assist research. Why don't you do that? Cassini, good work. I'm wondering if this fleet is one of the reasons why. We're actually going to start losing money before too long here. How old are you? 74? Yeah. We're going to start losing money because our current president or High Priest, I guess. High Priest is giving us a lot of money. So, you know, one of those things.
Construction complete. Colony established. Research complete.
Excellent. A few things here. One, that's probably about it. Oh, actually, you know what to do. Give you... Let's get some Corvette assembly yards here, and then upgrade it. Level 3 spaceport, go. I spent an awful lot of my minerals on military, actually. Like a crap ton. Sweet! Precognitive interface. Actually, we're probably going to deal with that on camera. What I can tell... Well, I'll play with it in a second. Naval capacity? No. Empire leader capacity? No. That's repeatable. From Federation? We don't need that at all. Orbital hydroponic farms might be a good idea. And it's quick. And quite frankly, none of the other things are really that great. We could really use arid settlement. Or, yeah, arid settlement would probably be the ideal thing. Or some tile blockers. But let's just go with that. It's 7 months. It's fine. Establish the colony Sabenico in the Unatra system. Where is Unatra again? Over here. Excellent. It is fully settled. Good. Who's this? Okay, good. Oh yeah. We're about to get Europe too. Drisk is a little bit... It's not quite there yet. Hopefully they connect up. Actually, I kind of don't care. Yeah, I kind of don't care. As long as Europe picks this up. That's what I want. Okay.
Construction complete.
Rano. Finished your surface construction? How's your surface now? Your surface is about as upgraded as it needs to be. Excellent. Venezia, how are you doing? Just click through some things. Corfu, you can upgrade that. Power plant 3, baby! Excellent choice. Lepanto. You're fine for now. Toledo? You're good. Oh yeah, I think I made them happy and re-educated. Yeah, so at some point some of them may no longer be xenophobes, but yeah, that's gonna be a while. Lepanto with the penguins. Yeah, you're building stuff forever, not FunCon. You too. Yeah, they're gonna... Not FunCon, that's gonna get another colony ship. I don't know where I'm gonna send it, but I'm just gonna make sure that we have little not FunCons all over the place. Oh, which reminds me. I am building a colony ship here on Lashkut. It's going to have one of these guys on it. And they're totally gonna get sent up to here. That's where it's gonna be. That should lock up this whole area. And then I think we're pretty much good. Oh, here's the thing I want to do. Ship designer. I specifically want to do it with the smaller boats. Okay. So this can now get... Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. Where is the thing? Huh. Oh, here we are. Precognitive interface. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So our current combat computer is, and the one that I use for most of these Corvettes, is the aggressive combat computer. Fire rate plus 10%, weapons damage plus 10%. That's very nice. Precognitive interface basically means that our pilots of these ships, they pretty much have the force, right? 20 plus 20 chance to evade, which is going to be huge. What's the evasion on these guys? 15%, that's it. Oh yeah, it's about to go up a lot. And then weapons damage plus 10%, which is awfully nice. It pretty much means that these guys are going to get hit very, very infrequently. So I think we do that. on the smaller ones. Oh, Disruptor Corvette. Yes. Kinetic Corvette. Yeah, you too. Yeah. I don't know why they had the combat computer that they had, but there you go. Okay, these guys too. Torpedo Corvette. Yeah, might as well. Okay. Now, destroyers. You also have a decent amount of evasion. Here, have more. And it doesn't cost any power. It's so nice. Here. Yeah. PD destroyer. Yep. Evade. Okay. There you go. Oh, lightning destroyer here. Shoot. Actually, lightning destroyer is gonna keep the defensive combat computer. Yeah, smaller chance to evade, but it's going to stay in the proper formation that I want it to be. So, torpedo, yep. Laser, yep, okay. Whereas, like, the cruisers are just going to get hit. That's just what they do. They get hit. It's kind of how they work. Although, maybe... just in case, the disruptor cruiser... yeah, its evasion is crap. Don't even bother with it. Okay, so these small vessels are all going to be upgraded, except I don't know that it actually takes any minerals. 94 will be upgraded. Oh, 470 minerals. Wow, okay. Cool. Upgrade. You can't upgrade. You also... can't upgrade. Oh, because those are all lightning destroyers, and I didn't change their thing. I didn't change what they were doing. Okay. How are we doing? Do you guys have any border pressure? Nope. You don't really care. Corfu, hey. Oh yeah, people are leaving. Stupid people leaving. That'll get fixed in a second. No, it won't. Yeah, it will. Some Russian's gonna get born up there. It'll be fine. See, and these guys aren't really growing, and it doesn't really have to do with the, they're not... it's not they're bugged, it's that they, oh, interesting. There's only one other Tendrakian. He's not providing enough population pressure. You know what? Let's do this. Edicts list. Farming subsidies? Yeah, farming subsidies. Do it. There we go. Yay, he's actually growing. Okay, cool. If there's not enough extra food, they won't grow very fast. In fact, it'll pretty much just stop. So. You're making so many minerals. Wow.
Construction complete. System
Once again, Zara has been pummeled by falling asteroids, and this time part of our colony has been destroyed. Needless to say, the local population is not happy. Wow. Wow. Fine, something must be done.
Situation log updated.
Okay. Oh, orbital research mandate. How do we not have enough... what? We've been building research stations all over the frickin' place. Well, it should happen. You don't do what you're about to do. Just skip straight to... hang on. Skip straight to this. Okay. Move here. Build research station. Thank you. Do that right now. Okay, special project. What do we got? Asteroid defense system. Fine, do it. Okay.
Construction complete.
Yep. Spaceport of Hurum. Very nice. Very nice. Upgrade. Actually, where are you? Yeah, fine. Go ahead and upgrade. I'm looking at how close it is to possible threats who would just come and blow up an upgraded spaceport. Look how big that is. I'm just swallowing this region. Nice. Zara.
Colony established.
Excellent. Drisk. Oh, come on. Expand your borders. Oh, come on. Come on. Everything's been ruined. Yep.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete. Colony established. Special project complete.
Combination of extra sturdy construction techniques and automated defenses should keep the people of Zara safe from further asteroid impacts. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, cool.
Construction complete.
Ooh, hey, hang on. Colony ship! There we go. Also, we have a lazy construction ship we're going to have to do something with. You are Tundra. Where did I say you were going to go? Gaia World? No. No, we're not going to the Gaia World. Tundra. You could just go up in here. Voon 4. It's not a bad spot. Just to spread them out. And I can't think of any other places where we want to specifically expand our reach. Alright. There's a Tundra World there, but that's okay. Yeah, you know what? Maybe down here. No, actually, this other one was really big. Nice big, like, 24 size. You don't get 24s every day, right? Colonized planet. Right the crap there. Hex yes. So many planets. It's crazy go nuts. Oh, construction ship. Don't be lazy. Actually, quick. Miyuchi, where are you? Okay, you're up there. See, how do we not have... whatever. Just build research stations. Unemployment. Of course we have unemployment. Of course we do. Here, go there. Oh, you're leaving. No! That's fine. Go ahead and leave. Bring more, tundra poles around here. That'll be just fine. That'll be just fine. Here's our big old empire. The Hansa. How are the Hansa doing in terms of, like, military and stuff? They're inferior. Their fleet power is equivalent, but their tech isn't as good, and they can't field as many ships.
Colony established.
Has finished its
Research
stuff.
complete.
Corfu, are you good to go? Yeah. Morano, yeah, you're good. Colony established. Excellent. Corfu, yes. Technology. Okay, sweet. Quantum missiles. Done. I do like the idea of the Stormfire autocannon. That's a 97-monther. Wow. That's 94. Dang. Impulse thruster? That may be the thing. Yeah, just get a big upgrade for everybody. Oh, it does use extra power. Ugh. It's okay, we're working on that. And actually the extra power will complete before the impulse thruster. So that's nice. It's definitely very nice. Anything else that looks really good, though? I mean, Battleship Assembly Yards is not bad. Yep. Here we go. Okay, let's do it. Sweet. sweet. Additional research stations, something, something, something. Yay, for more influence. See, told you guys. Told you it would happen. I was kind of shocked it hadn't already. And we got orbital hydroponic farms, which will come in handy. We're not doing clone army. We don't need a clone army. We have... we're not doing terraforming. We don't need to. We have all kinds of creatures. We don't need to terraform crap, you know? We can settle just about anything. Except for, I might point out, we cannot settle arid worlds, which would be really nice to get. Hint, hint. Okay, let's just do Biolab, I think. No, actually, you know what? Let's do this. The crew quarters and engineering bay. We're going to need some of that so that when we store our giant fleet, it doesn't cost us as much. So let's do that. 11 months. And it's going to be quick, so it's going to be good. Veneto. Venezia. What's the spaceport? Upgrading. It's fine. Okay, you can upgrade again, and actually I can give you an empty module slot. So I will be able to do that. Oh.
Construction complete.
Building has been ruined. Yes, yes, yes.
Construction complete.
Da Vinci is lazy. Da Vinci. First off, again, where are you? Wish I could just automate these guys. Build mining stations. Oh. Wish I had views in here. Wish I could tell what was going on in here. You better not misuse those guys. You better not. I will take you down. Why don't you build a bunch of mining stations here? And then a bunch of research stations. Just do it all. Alright? Alright. And then... there was something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I was gonna check for a colony ship. Is there a colony ship there? Yes, there is. Is this atropical? Yes, it is. Yes, come on up. Arctic? Barren? Where is it? Hang on. No, that's not tropical. That's Arctic. What am I thinking? There's a tropical that I want, though. Ah, yes. Okay. Okay. I was just wrong. That happens. You know, being wrong. Crud. Oh, this one. Maybe this one. Yeah. Hehehe. Be dicks. Colonize planet. That one. Okay then. Okay, let's do it.
Construction complete. System survey complete.
Ooh, Schiaparelli yeah. Schiaparelli. We need something to do. And unfortunately, I don't think there's really anything for you to do. So come on over to, I don't know, Murano or something silly like that. Why don't you assist research? That's probably dumb. Yeah, it kind of is. Let's find a nice big... where... wish I could search places that are not my, I wish I could search things that are not in my sector for planets that have a lot of science. You know? How are you doing on science? You're crap. How are you doing on science? Nope. Nope. Yeah, Yeah, you kind of stink. Although this is better than the other place I was going to send it. Yeah, see, they're just not full. These guys. Genogian. Oh, shoot. It's a bug. Debug tooltip. Where is it? It's up here, actually. Kill. Pop. 4256. 4256. And you monster. Yep. Oh, bugs. Silly bugs. Or, you know, weird design choices, as the case may be. Ooh, how's your science? That's pretty terrible. You're gonna leave. Yeah, I'm not really sure where to stick. Oops. Debug tooltip. Thank you. Toledo, how's your science? Pretty terrible. Oh, you know what? I wonder if Lepanto... No, Lepanto's gonna be crap, because it's hardly got anybody. Not FunCon? Nope. Corfu. You already got one. Murano. Yeah, shoot. Schiaparelli, what are you doing? Okay, you're just gonna go up there? Fine. I don't even care. I'll keep you nearby. Okay, campaigning for new president. Orbital researcher, off-world miner, repatriator, repatriator, repatriator. It better darn well be one of these two. Ooh, better yet. It better be the same guy, because he'll keep getting us a lot more money. Need all the monies we can get. Kind of want to wait for this guy. Oh no. Colonizing something else. Who's colonizing this?
Construction complete. Ship
Wish
upgraded.
there were a way.
Colony established. Construction complete.
Oh. This is interesting. Okay. Status idle. Okay, we already have one moving there. Okay, cool. We have several idle folks. Okay. Yeah, we'll just have to... I'll have to play with that a little bit. And then, of course, we have too many planets. Which one finished? Lepanto. Oh, yeah, add that. Hey, guess what? Zara, you get even more real estate. Why don't you just have more real estate, huh? Just have more. There you go. Look at that. Well, okay, look at that. This is ours. All of it. It's all ours. Oh, do we have someone coming up here? Did I ever do that? Colonize. This is him. Okay. Let's find us a nice... Come on. Oh, oops. Colonize. Yeah, it must be this one that I picked. Alright, let's do it. And then we'll have one more Teuton that I have to figure out what to do with. Little Zoni 3. Okay, let's do it. Ugh, there's not really a good place to stick it. How about there? And that will lock that up. I think that's it. I think that's it, folks. I will play a little bit with colonization, just to make sure that I don't have too many things going. Oh yeah, you're in the process of colonizing. Let's go. Watch, watch, watch. There you go. Ragusa. There you go. I'll play with it just a little bit off camera. Make sure that someone's going, you know, everywhere has somebody. Just so that, you know, we're not being completely dumb. Okay, Sebastiano Corniola. Is it the same guy? Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. Investor and Corvette Focus. Perfect. And I believe Orbital Research Mandate. Perfect. Absolutely amazing, because we're going to be doing a lot of that. Because we're adding a lot of territory to our territory. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So I'll queue up a few research stations just to make sure that that happens. I'll make sure that everywhere that we want to get colonized is in fact getting colonized, and that all of our that we have no idle colony ships, because idle colony ships are dumb. Anyway, on that note, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do look forward to seeing you next time when we will... Well, I don't know what we'll do. We'll probably just zip through time and try to get as much science done as possible. Oh yeah, real quick. Okay, the Byzantines are in charge. Only like 10 more years before we can declare war, right? Ugh, right. Anyway, so long, folks.